friends, I am Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. I think in October or November I showed you my Musabazu, the banana plant. I covered it. I tried to save it from the frost because when I bought it they said in first year I need to save it. So it's almost March end, spring is here and weather is bit good now, 9 degree, 10 degree temperature. So today I plan to unwrap that Musabazu plant, but I'm a bit scared, I don't know. Let's see is live there or is survived or not. I'm not sure, so let's unwrap this Musabazu. This was my Musabazu banana plant, which I covered during winter time to protect the root from the frost. Yes, my husband did a hard job. He covered with the straw and the dry leaves and with the plastic, which I showed in my other video. We covered with net to protect it from the wind and fogs. It's March end, time to uncover this Musabazu. Wow, it survived. It's still green, means the new leaves will come out from this my Musabazu plant now. I had total 5 plants, 3 Musabazu which moved it inside, put on the pot, but it didn't survive. Mission is successful. These 2 Musabazu, we covered it to save it from the frost. It survived. I'm so happy because 3 Musabazu plant I took it inside it didn't survive. It died already. So I was scared what happened to these 2, but yes, I'm very happy. So yes, soon it will come out more videos about this Musabazu when it will grow again. So thanks for watching. See you all later in next video. Take care. Bye bye.